अनंतनाग और कुलगाम मुठभेड़ में आतंकी ढेर करने के दौरान सेना का एक जवान शहीद हो गया है। वहीं 3 जवान घायल हुए हैं, जहां कुलगाम में सेना के 2 जवान भी घायल हुए हैं। मारे गए 6 आतंकियों में से 2 आतंकी पाकिस्तानी और 2 स्थानीय हैं। इनके पास से एक अमेरिकी M4 और 2 AK-47 राइफलें बरामद हुआ है।
20. However, he has been actively assisting and aiding Jaish cadre since 2016. And yesterday, when police got to know about his involvement, he fled from his house and joined active ranks. And the third terrorist has been identified as a Pakistani terrorist. And in the recovery, 1 M4 rifle, 7 magazines of M4 rifle, 2 AK series rifles, 2 AK magazines, 1 pistol, and 2 pistol magazines, along with 3 grenades and other incriminating material has been recovered from the possession of these 3 neutralized terrorists. The Sajjad Mufti Altaf has been involved in attack on family of a police personnel in the month of July. It was a terrorist caused civilian atrocity in the month of July, wherein wife and daughter of that JKP personnel.
I'll request the company commander to lead the operation to give a brief of the operation. Come.
Kindly brief up about the Kulgam incident, sir, Kulgam encounter, sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Major Nair, and in the next couple of minutes I will be briefing you regarding the conduct part of the operation. As already brought out by the SSP, we had got an intelligence from the JKP that some few unidentified militants, terrorists, were present in general area Shabad Nogam, which is part of the Doru Tehsil in Anantnag district. In the afternoon, a swift cordon was laid in conjunction with the JKP in general area Shabad Nogam. As per the standard operating procedure in the army, before we do the search part, we always evacuate the civilian populace, which includes ladies, children and the old people, to a safer place so that we can conduct the operation successfully without any damage to civilian populace life. As we were evacuating the civilians to a safe place, the militants opened indiscriminate fire and hurled 2 grenades towards the location where some ladies and children were present. In the process of evacuation, 4 of our unit Jawans, which also include Jammu and Kashmir Police ka Jawan, suffered grievous injuries, and 1 of my unit Jawan, Sipai Jaswir Singh, made the supreme sacrifice in the highest traditions of the Indian Army. In the ongoing operation, we had neutralized the terrorist immediately within 10 minutes after the safe evacuation of the civilian populace, and as the gunfight progressed, the rest of the 2 militants were neutralized in the wee hours at around 0400 hours in the morning. The major outcome of the operation was that 3 hardcore militants were neutralized and there was absolutely no loss of life to the civilian populace and very minimal amount of collateral damage.
Thank you.
Thank